Today I am going to take a lecture of probability and statistics, chapter number 3, basic statistics. We have already seen in our previous lecture how we find the mean and the median. Our next topic is the mode. So what is the mode? Definition is mode is the value of the variable which is most frequent in the series. That means what? Mode is the value of the variable which is most frequent in the series. In case of discrete frequency distribution, mod is the value of x corresponding to the maximum frequency. Discrete frequency distribution, that means we are giving the value of x and f both but without interval. And the continuous frequency distribution, that means we are given in the class interval, for example 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Got it? So here the example is in the series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 8, 7 and 5. We are given in this series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5 and 7, 5. And we find the mod. So what is the value of the mod? So mod is equal to, what is the definition? Mod is the value of the variable which is most frequent in the series. So here the 6 number is written only one time, but in the 5 number 1, 2 and 3 times. So most frequent number is what? Most frequent number is 5. Okay. So the value of the mod is equal to 5. This is a simple example for finding the mod. For example, next one is, for example, we are given in the value of x is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, and the value of f is 2, 7, 15, 12, 6 and 4. Here we are given in the value of x 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. And according to this x, we are given in the value of f. F is 2, 7, 15, 12, 6 and 4. So how we find the mod? Okay, so mod is equal to what? In case of discrete frequency distribution, mod is the value of x corresponding to the maximum frequency. That means what? Here we are given in the x and x both values. So first you check here the column of the frequency and the maximum value. So this is the column of the frequency and the maximum value is what? Maximum value is 15. Okay. So according to this 15, the value of x is equal to what? X is equal to 5. Got it? First, you check the frequency column and check here the maximum frequency. Okay, so maximum frequency is what? Maximum frequency is 15. So according to this 15, our value of x is what? 5. So mod is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the two simple examples for finding the value of the mod. Okay, so third one is the formula of the mod is equal to what? So mod is equal to, this is the standard formula, mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, 3 median minus 2 mean. In case we are given in any question and find the mean, median and mod. All these three values we find it depends on the one question. So first you find only two values, that means you find their mod or median or mean. Okay, so according to this two value we find the third value. That means if we find the mod and mean, so put here the value of the mod and mean, so we get the value of the median. Okay, so this is the standard formula for finding the mod. That means we find the value of the median and we find the value of the mean. After that, you will put here the value of the median and mean and we get the value of the mod. Okay, the standard next formula is mod is equal to L plus H Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F2. This is the formula of the mod. Okay, so here L plus H Fm minus F1 divided by, this is the whole value divided from 2Fm minus F1 minus F2. That means here L is equal equal to what? According to your class interval, L is equal to lower limit of the model class model class. So how we find the value of the model class? You check here the maximum frequency. According to this maximum frequency, you highlight corresponding row, and this class interval is your model class interval. Okay. So here L is equal to lower limit of the model class. H is equal to width of the model class. That means if our class interval given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so h is equal to what? Width of the class interval, that means 10. Okay. Here fn is equal to frequency of the model class. Okay. Fn is equal to frequency of the model class, that means the maximum frequency according to your question. This is the Fn. F1 is equal to preceding frequency of the model class, and F2 is equal to succeeding frequency of the model class. That means here we write F1 is equal to preceding frequency of the model class, and F2 is equal to succeeding frequency of the model class. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the mod. In case we are finding only the value of the mod, then you use this formula. So here three types of formula here included in the topic of the mod. First one is if you are given in only the value of x, so you choose the most frequent number. This is the mod. Second one is the if you are given in the value of x and f both. If we are given the value of x and f both and we find the mod, so first you check the column of the f and choose the maximum frequency. According to this maximum frequency, you check here the corresponding value of x given in your x column. Okay, so this x is your mod. So next example is we are given in the for finding the mod, we are given in the profit per shop 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, and 500 to 600. Okay. According to this, the number of shop f is equal to 12, 18, 27, 20, 70, and 6. And we find the mod. Okay. So first you write here the formula of the mod. Okay. So formula of the mod is equal to what? Mod is equal to L plus H Fn minus F1 divided by 2Fn minus F1 minus F2. This is the formula of the mod. Okay. So let's see here. First you check here. First we find the model class because of L is the lower limit of the model class. H is equal to width of the class interval. Fm is equal to maximum frequency, and F1 is equal to preceding frequency according to Fm, and F2 is equal to succeeding frequency according to Fm. Okay, so don't be confused here. First you write the formula, because of with the help of formula we solve very easily any problem. Okay, so L plus H Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2. Got it? So first you check here, this is your number of shops. So first we have already seen in the previous lecture, if you write here the number of word, okay, that means we are given in the frequency. Got it? So here this is the frequency. So first you choose here the maximum frequency. So maximum frequency is what? 12, 18, 27, 20, 17 and 6. So maximum frequency is 27. So you highlight this row according to this 27. Got it? So this is your model class according to 27. Okay. So according to this 27, this is your model class. So first we find the L. So here we write L is equal to what? L is equal to lower limit of the model class. That means 200. Okay, h is equal to what? H is equal to width of the class interval. That means 0 to 100, 100 to 200. So the difference is what? Difference is 100. So h is equal to 100. Okay, here fm. So fm is equal to what? Fm is equal to maximum frequency, and according to this maximum frequency, we find the model class. Okay, so here the maximum frequency is 27. Got it? Next one is we find the F1 and F2. Okay, so F1 is equal to what? You check here the highlight. This row is highlighted. Okay, and this is your Fm. So just the preceding value, your F1. So preceding value is what? 18, and just the succeeding value. Succeeding value is what? 20. So we write here F2 is equal to 20. Got it? So don't be confused here. F1 is equal to just the preceding value according to Fm, and F2 is equal to just the succeeding value according to Fm. That means F1 is equal to before value and F2 is equal to after value. Okay. So here put all these values. So F is equal to 200 plus H is equal to 100. Fm is equal to 27, F1 is equal to 18 divided by 2 Fm. That means 2 into 27, that means 54. Got it? 2 into Fm, 2 into 27. So 54 minus F1 is equal to 18 and F2 is equal to 20. So, firstly, we put all this value according to this L200, H100, Fn27, F180, F220. Okay, and solve all these values and we get the final value is 256.25. This is your mod. Okay, so this is the example of the mod where a question given in this type of the class interval. Okay, sometimes we are given in this type of the question and find the all these three points, mean, median, and mod. Okay, so you have already one standard formula. Mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so firstly you find any two values, mean or mod, median or mod, mean or median. Okay, and with the help of these two values, we find the remaining third value. Okay, otherwise you find only the value of the mod, so you use this formula. Okay, so I will continue this topic in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.